Side-lying posture o yung nakatagilid po, commonly position po ito ng mga chiropractor na ginagamit during the spinal adjustment. It allows the chiropractor na maka-access po sa spine for different angle and to apply targeted pressure to manipulate the joint. This can help improve mobility, reduce pain, and restore proper alignment. Chiropractor may use a sideline posture or position na nakatagilid po during meningeal release. Pero hindi po ito yung madalas na ginagamit na position. Yung meningeal release po, focus po yun sa meninges na nagpoprotekta po sa membrane surrounding the brain and spinal cord. A side-lying position may provide access to a specific area, but other posture, like sitting or supine, lying on your back, might also be suitable depending on the technique and the target area na yung kakailanganin ng chiropractor na may ayos. So, salamat po sa pakikinig.